This would include encouraging users to act as validators and run nodes to keep the blockchain running. Things to consider when designing your crypto. Apart from the obvious choices like your blockchain or creating a coin or token, there are a few other key areas to consider. Define your cryptocurrency's utility. Cryptocurrencies can play many roles. Some act like keys to access services. Others even represent stocks or other financial assets. To understand and map out the process of creating your crypto, you'll need to define its features from the beginning. Design your tokenomics. Tokenomics are the economics that govern your crypto, like total supply, distribution method, and initial pricing. A good idea can fail if the tokenomics aren't correct and users aren't incentivized to purchase the cryptocurrency. For example, if you're creating a stable coin but cannot peg it correctly, no one will want to buy or hold it. Check its legal compliance. Countries around the world have their own laws and rules regarding cryptocurrencies. Some jurisdictions may even ban the use of cryptocurrencies. Consider fully your legal obligations and any compliance issues you might face. Create your own cryptocurrency in 7 steps. If you're only creating a token, not every step in the tutorial below will apply. What's more important would be the 3 design steps above. Most of our instructions will cover the basics of creating a blockchain first before finally minting your coin. 1. Choose a suitable blockchain platform. For a token, you'll need to pick the blockchain to mint your crypto on. BSC and Ethereum are popular options, but sidechains can also be a good idea. To create your own coin, you'll need to think about designing or hiring someone to create a custom blockchain. 2. Pick a consensus mechanism. If you're creating your own blockchain or aren't sure which one to pick for your token, think about the consensus mechanism you want. These mechanisms determine how participants confirm and validate transactions on the network. Most blockchains use proof of stake as it has low hardware requirements and many different variations. Proof of work, and is used in Bitcoin, is considered by some as more secure, but it's often expensive to maintain and not as environmentally friendly. 3. Design your blockchain architecture. This step is only needed if you're creating a coin. Not every blockchain allows the public to validate transactions or run nodes. The decision between having a private, public, permissioned, or permissionless blockchain is important. Your blockchain architecture will depend on what your coin and project are attempting to do. For example, a company or country creating a coin might run a private blockchain for more control. 4. Begin blockchain development. Unless you have expert development knowledge, you'll need external help to build your ideas. Once the blockchain runs in a live environment, it's extremely difficult to change its core concepts and rules. Make use of a testnet to ensure that everything works as planned and ideally cooperate with a whole development team to build your blockchain. 5. Audit your crypto and its code. Auditing companies like Certic can check the code of your blockchain and its cryptocurrency to look for any vulnerabilities. You can then publish the audit publicly and also act on its findings. This process provides some safety assurance for you as the creator and for any potential users or investors. 6. Double-check legal aspects. Now that you have your blockchain running and are ready to mint your cryptocurrency, it's best to ask for expert legal advice to check whether you will need to apply for permission. Again, this step is difficult to achieve alone and requires outside help. 7. Mint your cryptocurrency. Whether you're creating a token or coin, you will need to mint the cryptocurrency at some point. The exact method will differ based on your tokenomics. For example, fixed supply tokens are usually minted all in one go via a smart contract. Coins like Bitcoin are minted gradually as miners validate new blocks of transactions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching. When creating a new cryptocurrency, you can choose to make a coin or token. A coin has its own blockchain, while a token is built on a pre-existing network. Cryptocurrencies rely on blockchains for their security and decentralized nature. Creating a token requires less expertise and effort than making a crypto coin. A coin will usually need a team of developers and experts to make it. A token still needs technical knowledge, but it's possible to create them in minutes through the use of other blockchains, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Polygon. Your choice of a token or coin will change depending on the customizability and utility you want. Overall, the costs involved depend on the work needed, like external developers and time. Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain are popular blockchains for creating digital currencies. You can either use established code to create tokens yourself or pay to use a coin creation service. Sidechains are another popular choice as they provide more customization with the main blockchain's benefits. Before creating your own crypto, you'll need to consider its utility, tokenomics, and legal status. After this, your choice of blockchain, consensus mechanism, and architecture are all needed for the development stage. Next, you could consider an audit of your project and a final legal check. While pretty much anyone can create a cryptocurrency, developing a solid project requires serious work and dedication. Creating a coin. Creating a new coin can take a lot of time if you develop your own blockchain. However, forking a previous blockchain can be done speedily and used as a base for your new coin. Bitcoin Cash (BCH) is one example of a forked project. To do this, you still need a high level of blockchain technical and coding knowledge. The success of your project will also rely on getting new users to your blockchain network, which is a challenge. Creating a token. Creating a token on an existing blockchain can leverage its reputation and security. While you won't have complete control over all aspects of your token, there is still a lot of customization available. There are a variety of websites and tools available to create your own token, especially on BSC and Ethereum. Should I create a coin or a token for my project? A token will usually be enough for decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, or play-to-earn games. Both BSC and Ethereum have a massive amount of flexibility and freedom for developers to work with. If you're looking to push the limits of what a coin or blockchain does, creating a coin with its own blockchain would likely be better. Creating a new blockchain and coin is certainly harder than issuing a crypto token. But if done right, it can bring lots of innovation and new possibilities. Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon are good examples. Still, both options will require a lot of hard work along with technical, economic, and market knowledge to succeed. Top solutions for cryptocurrency creation. Some of the most popular solutions for creating cryptocurrencies are BSC, Ethereum, and Solana. Both these networks provide ways to make a variety of tokens based on pre-existing standards. BEP 20 and ERC 20 token standards are leading examples that almost any crypto wallet provider can support. ERC 20 belongs to the Ethereum blockchain, while BEP 20 is part of the Binance Smart Chain (BSC). Both networks allow for the creation and customization of smart contracts that enable you to create your own tokens and decentralized applications, dApps. With dApps, you can create an ecosystem that provides more use cases and functionality to your token. You could also look at sidechains that use the security of a larger chain like Ethereum or Polkadot, but also provide some customization. The Polygon network is attached to Ethereum and provides a similar experience, but is cheaper and faster to use. After picking a blockchain, you'll need a method for creating your token. With BSC and other blockchains that are based on the Ethereum virtual machine, the process is relatively simple. You can also find ready-to-use tools that create tokens based on the parameters and rules you provide. These are usually paid, but they are a more practical option for users not familiar with smart contracts. If you want to make your own blockchain and coin, you will likely need a team of blockchain developers and industry experts. Even if you look at forking a blockchain like Ethereum or Bitcoin, there is still a huge amount of work required to set up your network.